Traders, I'm recording a video because I just took a second entry long, which is also mini fell breakout out of this tiny congestion, but we found support at the key level. It's a strong bullish bar. I don't want to miss this trade because the momentum is strong on this bar. Stop loss goes one tick below the signal bar. I'm scalping 10 ticks because the bar is rather big. Alright traders, we got the scalp, so I'm going to place the stop loss to break even. The reason for this trade is that I have an uptrend that needs new high to be tested. I have a big bullish structure right now that is giving me confidence in the bullish bias. We had a spike in volatility by the news right here. This basically kickstarted the bullish bias as well. And I have support right here, which is telling you, okay, buyers deem this price level worthy. You can see you cannot break below. So every single time you see bounce off this key level, this is a confirmation of the bullish presence. You had a failed second entry short above, and now we have a new high first entry long, second entry long. And you can see kind of like a mini failed breakout of this congestion as well. So bias is bullish, uptrend is new high. You have a bottoming pattern, failed second entry short, one leg down, second leg down. Okay traders, looking closely, this was actually a double trap because you have a mini first entry long, second entry long right here. There's a one tick higher, so we have a second entry long here. So this was even stronger. This was a double trap, but it visually looks like two-legged pullback, so you can approach it as a visual two legs down. And so far the run is decent. All right traders, I'm tightening the runner to 9.5 points. All right traders, our runner got hit. It was actually 9.25 points.